Well, hello everyone. Today we are back for a brand new video where we're going to be looking at how to install mods on your Hytale server that's currently hosted on OuiHeberg. So, to get started with that, we're going to head directly over to our OuiPanel console.
We are going to stop the Hytale server.
So there it is, it's done. We can see the small red square. We're going to go into the mod manager category. So right here, we're showing you all the available mods that are connected to the CurseForge catalog. We're listing them for you right here. You also have the small install button where you'll find all your mods that are already installed on your server. Now for this video, we're going to download the iSpy mod.
So we click on the version and then we proceed to install it.
So there you have it. The mod has just installed. It also appears in the installed category. And to apply it, we simply need to start the server. Alright, so our retail server has just started, and so we're in the game. The mod is working well. It's been applied. Now it's quite subtle. Please look at the top left of the screen. When I point at a block, you'll see its exact name. For example, we're going to move. So here you can see that this is moss stone, and over here it's grass, etc, etc. I truly hope that the tools we're making available to you, as well as the tutorials, are proving useful, and I'll be seeing you again very soon for new videos. Alright then, bye everyone.